Good afternoon, students. In previous class, we learned about color theory. In this class, we are going to learn how to draw objective drawing glass on a book. Objective drawing is one of the exam in lower drawing exam. In first step, draw a horizontal line with 15 centimeters and mark a point at 5 centimeters and draw a vertical line here at one end of the horizontal line with 4 centimeters dotted line and make a mark at 2 centimeters. Here at other end also draw a vertical line with 4 centimeters and mark at 2 centimeters. Here at the point of 5 centimeters draw a vertical line with 2 centimeters. Then join these 2 points and these 2 points. These two also. These 2 points also. In second step, take a length from this point to this point. And make a curve from this point here and take a length from this to this point and mark a curve from this point. Then draw the diagonals of this rectangle. Here it is the center point. From this point draw a vertical line with 6 centimeters. At the top of this 6 centimeters line draw a horizontal line with 4 centimeters dotted line. Here we take bottom at 3 centimeters, making this 1.5 as a center. In the third step, join these 2 points for the glass and draw the mouth of the glass, bottom part of the glass. In fourth step, erase all the unwanted lines and draw these curves for the book. In fifth step, tick these parts of the book. Then shade the glass here and here also. In sixth step, dark these shapes at the bottom of the glass and draw these circular shapes. In seventh step, shade these parts of the book. In eighth step, draw the shadow of the book and glass. Then take a piece of paper and fold it like this. Then rub at the shading parts of the book and glass. Okay students, draw this objective drawing and answer these questions. And send it in our group. Thank you.